Hello everyone and welcome to your channel. So today we are going to start with locus part 1 video. This is the start of locus. So first of all I would like to clear one thing, that is the main thing, definition of locus. Basically this chapter consists of introduction of locus, its theorem part, and then the applications of locus. That means what type of questions comes in exams related to this topic. So we'll be discussing one by one. So first of all we'll be discussing what definition of locus. Locus is what? It is path traced. Locus is what? Path traced by a moving point which moves so as to satisfy certain given condition. तो हमको ये समझना है locus is a path traced by a moving point which moves so as to satisfy certain given condition. Now let's suppose we are having example, two parallel lines are 4 centimeter apart. I have drawn over here. These are two parallel lines and these lines are 4 centimeter apart. That means the distance between these lines is 4 centimeter. Find the locus of a point. We have to find locus of a point which is always equidistant from both the given lines. Now हमको ऐसे points we have to construct in which always from these two lines they are at same distance. So obviously the distance between them is 4. So the point will lie in midway between them, right? So point can be this, point can be this also, and point can be this also, which is in a midway. That is in the center of these two lines. We can say 2 centimeter from here and 2 centimeter from line M. Similarly, this point is 2 centimeter from here, so 2 centimeter from line L. 2 centimeter from here, so 2 centimeter from here. So these are the moving points. Now what is the path traced? This is a path traced. Thus we have satisfied the definition. Locus is what? It is the path traced by a moving point which moves so as to satisfy certain given condition. यहाँ पर क्या condition given थी? That this locus should be equidistant from both the lines. So this is equidistant from both the lines. Now this locus which we have got, this is locus and this locus is a straight line. Example number 2. Find locus of point equidistant from a fixed point. Now see again what we have to calculate. Locus of point equidistant from a fixed point. Let's suppose there is a fixed point which is A. Now equidistant. So this point can be here also. This point can be here also because they have told equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point से I can draw infinite number of lines, but distance should be same every time. Let's suppose I have taken distance 3 centimeter. Here also 3 centimeter I have drawn line. Here also I have taken 3 centimeter and here also I have taken 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter and in points go I have named it. Let's suppose this is B point, C, D, E and this one is F point. Okay, sorry, this one is G point. Now we have satisfied given condition. The condition was we have to find locus of a point. These are points which are equidistant from a fixed point. तो ये fixed point हमारा आ गया. Now locus is what? Path traced. Path traced means we have to join these points. Now when I'll join these points, I'm getting what? The locus is circle. In this case, locus is what? It is a circle with which is equidistant from a fixed point, and that fixed point is what? Center of the circle. Say example number 3. Find locus of point which is at a given distance from a given line. Now we are provided with only one line. Now at a given distance, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई यहाँ नहीं, at a given distance. Let's suppose if I am taking 2 centimeter from here, so 2 centimeter from here also. So these are the points. Obviously, if I am drawing above line A, if I am constructing points above line A, there will be points below this line also. So it can be here also, it can be here also. These points are A, B. I'll join these. I'll join this also. Hence, जो मुझे ये lines मिली, that will be all what? Parallel. So here I can write locus of point which is at a given distance from a given line is a pair of lines. Locus of point is pair of line parallel to given line. So this is all about locus, nothing else than that. Locus is what? It is the path traced by moving points, that points are moving under certain given conditions, whatever conditions are given to us. Example 4. Find locus of midpoint of all parallel chords in a circle. Now what is given to us? Circle. I'll draw circle over here. All parallel chords. So this is chord, this is also chord, this one is also chord, this is also chord and this one. अब locus किसका find करना है? Locus of midpoint of all parallel chords. इन सारे parallel chords का midpoint. So this is their midpoints. If I am joining it, so this is what? This is locus. Now here locus is what? Locus is the diameter. So locus changes according to the given conditions, but the definition of locus remains same. See next example which we have over here. Locus of a point equidistant from two concentric circles. Two concentric circles are given to us. Now locus of a point equidistant from two concentric circles. तो concentric circle से equidistant मतलब that point will lie in the midway of this circle. Now if I'll construct it, so here locus is what? This is what? This is locus, because condition is given equidistant from two concentric circles. So locus is the circumference. Locus is the circumference of circle concentric with the given circle and midway between them, उन दोनों के बीच में. So this is how we have seen today basically what is locus and the examples which comes in exam related to the locus. Now in my next video we'll be seeing the theorems and applications of this locus only. Hope you guys are finding videos to be helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.